Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Miss Mwikali, aka Yellow. If it's your first time to watch me, thank you for clicking and don't forget to subscribe. Yes, and for the guys who've been watching, asante sana, karibu. Yep, natukona bazenga. My play buddy is here. You just say hi for today.
Hey guys.
Nini unatupa kisses sana leo?
Si natupia crash maya.
Okay. Anyway, so guys, today's video. Oh my god. I'm just doing a disclaimer in advance. It's called Smack or Facts. Just a disclaimer mapema. We might not finish this video because this guy is always rough. He might beat me sana, but when my feelings na mauchungu nikasirike. But I'll try no my feelings, no mauchungu. Yes. But so this is how the game will be. He's going to ask me a question. If I fail, so for me, I'll also ask him a question. If I fail, the same. So are you ready? Let's get started.
Wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
So this is how we are going to do the game. He asked me a question. I'm just translating in English basically. He asked me a question. Once I don't get it right, he smacks me with a powder on my face. Yeah, and the same to him. If he fails, I smack him on his face. Disclaimer: my brother is rough. In case tukose kumaliza video, just understand he caused it. Like this guy is always rough. Like he normally just like he can hold me like this, then uskini me complain, gosh, caxton you holding me like nelewa. His men's hands and like mimi nikimshika hivi I feel uchungu, but yeye kuna vyanza kushika usikimbe sema you're hurting me. So in case we don't finish the video, elewa tu. Maybe my feelings ama nibichapa coffee sana, don't beat me so hard.
No, I just squangira.
You sure?
Yes, it's squangira.
Okay.
My hands are smooth.
Yeah, let's just give him benefit of doubt. Yeah. So on to the first question. So on to our first question. Who should start, me or you?
Let's do this. We do rock paper scissors.
Okay, I don't know how to do.
Rock paper scissors. Rock paper scissors.
So
mimi naanza.
Yeah, sure. No, let's redo it again. Let's rock paper scissors.
So umenikata, so mimi naanza.
Okay, so messy. So are you ready?
Yes, I am.
You ready for your first question?
Yes.
We're going to ask each other 8 questions. 8. Yeah, I think 8 is okay.
Mbona paka pojo?
No, I don't know which hand should I slap you with this.
Si unauliza kwanza.
I just wanted.
Uliza alafu nikifail niweke.
This guy. Okay, fine. My favorite hobby. That's so easy.
Favorite guy uongo.
That's easy. My favorite hobby.
Unakuwa na hobby? Ngoja.
I think I should give you seconds.
Ngoja.
I have a
hobby.
Seriously, who doesn't have a hobby?
Okay. Okay.
I'm only giving you one guess.
Hobby,
so I'm just giving you one guess.
Market ni hobby.
That's not. That's part of my job, kumarket. That's not a hobby.
Guy got and
Imagine I have a hobby.
Watching.
That's not my hobby.
Ngoja.
No, you just failed.
Guy, akikaro unanga.
Aki, nashindwa na kuslap na mkono gani. I just feel like my right, my left.
To me left.
Left itakuwa ni soft on you.
Damn.
I think right. You don't know my hobby still? Jeez, that's not my hobby. And you call yourself my brother?
Auju kudance.
Hi.
Kuimba.
Oh my god! You mean? My hobby is traveling.
Ouch.
Man, let me just apply it well on you. Traveling.
Really?
Man.
Any job here?
No, but I like traveling. Seriously. How do you feel that? Was it painful? Can I add? I feel like I did
My
little...
My
I feel
turn
like I
is
did
coming.
little powder.
No.
You know you're a black beauty, so we want to transform you to Snow White.
My turn is coming.
But how comes you don't know my hobby? Seriously.
Traveling is your hobby. You see, ni kinda hobby.
Guys, I like traveling. Trust me.
Siko tu nafanya job.
No, but why did I start it? Because I like traveling.
But you need job yako. Si pia market ni hobby. Okay, ni chapa.
No. You just failed it. Let's go to the next one. So you're asking me?
Adi you kwanza napaka hata sikuulizi. My favorite color.
You're in black, so it's black.
No.
No, what is it first before you slap me?
Blue.
Oh my god! Don't draw my wait! I have cautions. My eyes. Remember, okay, I have a eye problem. Okay, please. Okay, let me just close my. Don't do it hard. Don't do it hard. You're not okay. Let me close my eyes so I don't want to see smack me. Wait, I'm scared. Okay. Ouch! That was painful, man.
I did hiyo.
Oh, jeez, you're so rough. What?
I guess the began.
Oh my god, this place will be messy. Okay, the loser will have to clean it, and I think it's you.
And no.
I think we'll make a mob on them. Anyway, anywho, I ask you my. No, this is a tricky one. My favorite. Okay, between Showmax and Netflix, which is my favorite?
Your favorite?
Oh, la, la,
Showmax
na, na,
and
na.
Netflix.
Yeah, Showmax and Netflix. Just look at the camera.
Showmax.
Not the sky. Why
Ni
Showmax? Why
Unapenda
Showmax?
Showmax, Karo?
No, I don't love Showmax.
Karo unapenda Showmax.
I like Netflix.
Niko sure unapenda Showmax.
We go to my phone, we check like what
Unapenda
I
pia
like.
Netflix, but mostly favorite ni Showmax.
My favorite is Netflix.
Ni Showmax.
You failed.
Ni
I was so sure
Showmax.
you'd say Showmax because of Selena, but seriously. When was, you
Ake
can
Karo
check
anta-
when was the
una
last
tu
time.
kumchapa.
No, you can check when was the last time I watched Showmax. My favorite is Netflix. Like right now, I'm watching Queen Sono. Is Queen Sono on Showmax? No, it's on Netflix. Come on. Oh. Ow. Guys, it's our time to smack someone. Team Caroline, Team Girlchild. I think I need this side. No, I want that side. No, this is my left hand, so I prefer this side. I won't smack you hard. I have not smacked you hard.
I
Can
made
repeat?
sure. Oh.
Okay.
Akiwa mpaka mingi.
Mimi,
Wacha mimi please.
I hope I don't look like a ghost already. How do I look?
Bado hujachafuka. Sungoje niulize
Hata kitu
maswali.
tumejichafua by the way. Anyway.
My second question. Name my favorite football player.
Oh my god, this is difficult. Kitambo, I knew your favorite player right now. Okay, the player is in Manchester, right? Manchester United. Man
You're
U.
getting
No.
close. Yes.
Okay,
Obvious.
God, but
Manchester.
I even forgot. Casemiro? But you know, yeah, no problem. But he was once your favorite player.
He was.
He was?
Yeah.
But I got at least something. Why do you want to
No,
smack me?
Nimeuza my favorite. Like say.
So who's your favorite? Caxton. Casemiro was once your favorite. Hey, player. Woo!
My
Okay.
favorite. Ni Bruno Fernandes.
Oh my god. Yeah, because why did that skip my mind? Because even in your sender, I always see Fernandez. Is it pronounced like that?
Yeah. But umeona.
Oh my god. No, wait.
Umeona.
Don't. Let me just close my eyes. I'm scared you might hit me so hard. Okay, can I just close my eyes?
Sivuli.
Because I'm kind of scared. Just give me a second. I need to breathe. Because I'm scared of your slap. Okay, fine.
At least kupiga.
Okay, let me, I don't know, let me hold my hands.
Sijapata vizuri.
Okay, that was painful. Caxton, you actually hurt my ears.
Sijapata vizuri.
Okay, that was painful. Guys, that was painful. You may catch. Anyway, to my third question. So, no, I'm not should be holding it. My favorite food joint recently.
Hey, God. Food joints.
Yes.
Chicken, I guess. Chicken.
No, chicken. There's nothing like chicken.
Chicken za Java, I guess. I don't.
It's coquito. That was not painful. Actually, I've patted you. That was not painful.
Payback in account.
You're sure? Okay, so ask your question.
My shoe size.
I know that one, and I know that one. I can't miss that one. You're sure? I can't miss that one.
Who miss one? Miss two.
Surely, you're daring me. It's 42. That's your shoe size.
Not bad.
So, we go. This one, if you get it, which sport did I participate in school? Guys, today is my
sport.
Yeah, in school. Guy, I was not a bookworm. I used to play.
Hauko energetic aki uongo.
I'm not energetic. Where? Hey, that's an estimation of my muscles.
Badminton.
Okay, we used to play badminton at home, but it's not the sport that I used to play in school.
Tennis. See my demo to the tennis.
Oh my god.
Basketball.
No, keep guessing.
Hockey.
You've guessed a lot, but you got it right the netball.
Oh, guy, netball. Kwanza netball yanacheza ngwajadi.
Guy, mbona nione kasi juu kucheza netball wewe? Hata ifani kuongezee. Aya sawa.
Na revenge, I promise.
Trust me, today he's not going to revenge cause nimejiami people.
My biggest fear.
Who doesn't know your biggest fear? Let me see. Let me see. No, let me just see. Getting a girl pregnant. Okay, Manu losing.
But see, not my biggest.
Manu losing.
Manu lose. Skatai sometimes, but
okay, give me a hint. Just give me a hint.
Closer.
I'm close. Okay, wait.
But ulisha wrong.
Okay, first tell me what it is. Don't hit me.
See you
God. Okay, hold on.
Okay, Manu kurelegatiwa.
Okay, Manu. You're hurting me. I have to remove the earrings.
Payback.
No, but Manu losing and Manu being delegated is the same thing.
Different.
No, it's the same thing.
It's the same.
You sure?
It's the same.
Guys, I think ananionea. Galchad amejaribu, amesema Manu losing. It's better.
No.
I don't know hizo vocabularies of football, so I think I've tried.
So, I'll just jaribu. Hizo ni word maybe different.
Anywho, I'm sure you're going to fail this. I'm sure you're going to fail this. Trust me. What is the must-have scent in perfume? In my perfume. No, listen. Like, so you know the perfumes you normally buy in town. Then, nimeshafurahia mapema.
Najua.
Uko sure?
Najua.
Like, nikifanywa the mixing of the perfume, what is my best scent? Lazima ikuwe.
Undanisijio.
Okay, what is it?
Hiyo best najua.
Okay, sema, what is it?
Mango sensation.
No, it's not sensation! It's
Mango sensation! But nilikuwa najua ni mango
no,
something.
even May said, Manu doing what losing.
But
because
mango
of
temptation, yeah.
you said sensation, that's why.
Hakuna
Anyway,
sensation.
I didn't hit you, but I poured on
Okay.
you. Okay, so I'll ask your next question.
God. Name of my first phone.
Oh, I can hide this because I know. Your first phone was Infinix. Duh. Your first phone was Infinix. Stop lying. Your first phone was Infinix. Guy, what was your first phone? So you me, Aki, don't hit me so hard. Aki, don't hit me so hard. Okay. No, you were not putting two. Caxton, your pin and fair. You want to smack all my faces. Jeez, I'm scared. Come on. Okay, let me close my eyes. Guy.
The angle.
Mimi nadhani guy. Mbona ni mbili, should be one. What was it first?
Wiko.
Oh yeah, I remember Brandon took you to. Sawa, my bad. So on to the seventh question. Seventh question. I'm sure I know what's in my mind. He's going to definitely fail this. My favorite food. You're going to fail it definitely. You can't get it right.
Modakoi.
No.
Githeri.
No. The last chance.
Beans.
I don't like beans. Sorry. I don't like beans. What do you cook the
beans.
best? What do you cook the best in the house?
I guess beans ama minji.
Peas, yeah, minji, peas. Like, but then he does his peas so nicely. That's my favorite food. Like, you know the peas, you put the nyama, kabaru, carrot, then rice. Woo!
Unapenda minji sana?
That's my favorite.
Nice.
Actually, I do. Actually, there's even a time when I'm at
Because
work, I go to Azuri just to order minji and rice.
Si mokimo?
No, I don't take mokimo.
But uliambia mama unapenda mokimo yake.
Nilisema napenda mokimo yake. Sikusema it's my favorite food. Come on. Oh, it's your turn. Let me see. Let me see.
My favorite food.
It's the same. You sure you don't have another question?
No, I have another, but nataka
Let me
nijue
see. What's your
my favorite food.
What does this guy like?
English
Definitely
food.
chips and chicken.
Yeah,
Don't deny you like chips and chicken. Okay, fish.
Si favorite. Fish.
What's your favorite?
Mshahara.
Okay, Cartoon, you're putting a lot.
Ni
Okay, just smack me once.
beans.
Oh my god.
Unafeel
It's
aje?
in my eyes. And your favorite is
Nakupuliza.
it's okay, guys.
Ni beans, imagine.
Your favorite is beans.
Ni beans.
Oh my god.
Akira
Oh yeah, by the way,
Shirazi.
he cooks very nice beans. Actually, his stews are the best in the house. Yeah, Sanjo story. So that we get a
Oh. Ebuliza.
Now in the last question. My last one. Let me prepare myself. You know what? Because he doesn't know this and he will definitely not get it. I'm so sure.
Mbona duna akisi?
I'm so sure you're not getting it. Let me first prepare
Imagine
myself.
tapata.
Hawezi pata.
Akisi poa.
Hawezi pata. My dream car.
Dream car.
My dream car, guys. We are spinning. Oh, my dream car.
Okay.
I have a dream car.
Nipatie clue.
I'm not giving you a clue, and you actually have 3 guesses only. 1. Usiseme Vitz.
Vitz.
This is not my dream car.
Mercedes.
No. Okay, Mercedes used to be, but now.
I swear.
V8. Actually, should be a strong one because it's the last one. So far, I think I'm the winner. So you're the one cleaning up the mess.
Niko na moja ya mwisho.
Oh, okay. I might get it. Don't be shocked.
My first girlfriend.
I definitely know that one.
You.
Kathy? You sure? Anne?
Ana alikuwa
Okay,
rafiki
Mercy.
wangu. Mercy ni nani?
I don't know. I'm just not guessing name. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm sure it's Kathy. I first mentioned who is it before hitting me. Just mention. No, first mention. Apana, just no, you're not smacking me. First mention.
So umesha wrong.
No, you're sure.
Ilikuwa once.
No, guys, let me tell you. You know this guy used to have very many girlfriends akiwa very young. Like walikuwa napanga line kwa gate yetu kila saa.
Akini
Okay, tell nichome kidogo, but it's true. Those girls used to panga wengi, but mwenye najua ilikuwa Kathy. You're sure failed. Okay, Caxton, cross your okay. No, first tell me. Okay, gosh. Okay. I'm scared. Oh, that was painful. Jeez. Okay, who is it?
Nikati.
Look at him. He lied. You. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed. I was right. I actually got it. It was Kathy, and I was so sure. So we've come to the end of our video. Hope you've liked it. Hope you've enjoyed. We now look. How do I look? Okay, wewe sidhani kama nimekueven vizuri.
Unakaa mchai.
Wale wa Pro Cinema. Anyway, guys, hope you've enjoyed watching this video, and if you have, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Promote Girl Child here, you know, just give me the support. Yeah, and till next time, peace out.